How to autofill data in Excel mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can autofill data in Excel mobile. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, open up Excel in your mobile device. After you have opened it up, now if you want to fill the or autofill the data, what you have to do is first of all select a cell. There you have to add a data. For example, I want to autofill the numbers in the Excel data. So first of all, I will add 1, then I will add 2 just below that, and then 3. Once you have your pattern ready, now what you have to do is select this 3 cell. After that, there you will have an option as a fill. So tap on fill. Now if you drag this cells at the downward direction, now the data will autofill. As you can see, now the data has been autofilled. In the same way, if you go and type another data at the top, so here I will create a data on the dates. So once I type in Sunday, and below that I will add Monday. Now you have to select both of these cells, then tap on fill. Once you have it, now you have to press on that selected cell. Then if you drag it, here the data will be autofilled, as you can see. So that's the way to autofill data in Excel mobile, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.